From Meteora, we wanted to visit the beautiful town of Metsovo, which was about 60 kilometers away and would have taken an hour or so. However, we had a different plan at first. Northern Greece has its own secrets far away from the buzzing crowd. We wanted to spend some time amidst the untouched beauty. We came across a large field and noticed some horses grazing. One of them lazily rolling over, while the others started running away. We found it rather interesting and drove along chasing the herd. It was really fun to slow down and see the horses galloping down the road. After quite some time, we finally managed to overtake them. Driving along the generous undulations, we approached the Pindos National Park, which had started becoming visible at a distance. There were very few towns along this road and hardly any humans were visible. A very beautiful little church caught our attention. The location was so beautiful, we decided to have a closer look. We found this church is called Ecclesia Ios Christophoros, or the Saint Christopher Church, one of the many Greek churches you will see on your way, but probably this one will stay in your memory for long. Hello! Finally, we entered Pindos National Park. এই বরফের পাহাড় যদি আরেকটু পরিষ্কার থাকতো রে। The traditional old stone bridge of Ziyakas, with a giant 7.5 meters high arc, was built during the Turkish occupation. The Velonius River on which the bridge is built was called the Royal Road, a large trade route connecting with the region of Thessaly. We saw a lot of small birds flying around in this area, some of which we could identify, like this European bee-eater, and others which we couldn't, just like this passerine or this one which looked like a lark. The landscape becomes more impressive from the presence of the Orliakas mountain, nearly 1500 meters high. This region of Grevena is so interior that you would only find Greek letters on signboards and no English at all. After crossing the Ziyakas village, we started to go uphill. Small patches of remnant snow from recent snowfalls were seen on the roadsides. At a lower altitude, the vegetation mainly consists of poplars, cedars, ferns, maple, boxwoods, and many others, while on the higher mountains there are firs, oaks, black pines, and beeches. This area is designated as zones of special protection of birds. The Orliakas mountain is an ideal habitat for brown bears, wolves, and jackals. Lynx, one of the rarest animals, was also found here but not seen for many years now. কিছুক্ষণ দাঁড়িয়ে একটু রেস্ট নিলাম, অসাধারণ দৃশ্য। এটা পিন্ডোস ন্যাশনাল পার্ক। এখানে ফ্লোরা অনেক ধরনের আছে এবং ফনাও সিমিলারলি অনেক ধরনের রয়েছে। This region of Valia Kalda becomes astonishingly beautiful during autumn, when the falling leaves of the deciduous trees composes a unique multicolored landscape. However, we found the spring season to be quite enchanting too. We stopped again when we found a unique two-domed monastery of Balkan architecture called Ecclesia Ios Nikolaos, or the Church of Saint Nicholas, in an amazing location. It was Good Friday in Greece on that day, according to the Julian calendar followed by the Greek Orthodox Christians. The Catholics follow Gregorian calendar, where the dates differ. Crossing a small bridge over Aspropotamus River, we approached the village of Perivoli. কি অপূর্ব রে! ওই গ্রামটার মধ্যে দিয়ে বোধহয় এক্ষুনি যাবো। এই পাহাড় থেকে নেমে আবার বোধহয় ওইটাতে উঠবো। তারপরে আর টোটাল 15 কিলোমিটার বাকি আছে বুবুসা পৌঁছতে, সেটাও এরকম ধরনেরই একটা গ্রাম। Road conditions in northern Greece are not always buttery smooth as the rest of Greece. This seemed very remote and slightly neglected part of the country.
Hopefully it will be worth. কারণ এত কষ্ট করে কঠিন রাস্তা দিয়ে যাওয়ার পরে যদি দেখি যে ওকে এরকম, তাহলে খুব বাজে লাগবে। একটা লোক
হচ্ছে না, মানে বোধহয় হোল লটে গুড ফ্রাইডেতে বেড়াতে গেছে। মানে পুরো গ্রামটা বন্ধ নাকি এটা কি?
হ্যাঁ, মানে কোথাও কেউ নেই।
একজন মহিলা থাকেন, আর এই যে কুকুরটা যেখানে বসে রয়েছে এইখানে, মহিলা বলল যে এই রাস্তাটা দিয়ে যাওয়া যাবে, একদম স্টিপ, জানি না কি হবে, দেখা যাক। আমরা ওই রাস্তা দিয়ে যাওয়ার রিস্কটা নিতে পারলাম না। এটা ইম্পসিবল ছিল অলমোস্ট, মানে যে স্টিপ রাস্তা ছিল ওই রাস্তায় যদি একটা হেয়ারপিন থাকে, ইট উড হ্যাভ বিন ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট। মেবি লোকালরা রেগুলারলি যায়, ঠিক আছে, বাট এরকম একটা সিচুয়েশনে অবভিয়াসলি যাওয়া উচিত নয়। তাই আমরা ফিরে যাচ্ছি মেটসোভো, বাট উইল টেক আ ডিফারেন্ট রুট অল টুগেদার। এত একটা টাফ একটা রাস্তা ছিল, আর 14 কিলোমিটার গেলেই বুবুসা আমরা পৌঁছে যেতাম, কিন্তু এইরকম একটা রাস্তা গুগল নিয়ে এসছে, সেটা আমরা আগে বুঝিনি এবং কোনো দরকার নেই এই রিস্কটা নেওয়ার। এই সময় এটা আমাদের নিজেদেরও গাড়ি নয়, এই সময় এখানে ব্রেকডাউন হলে আমাদের কাছে কোনো ফোন নেই। With a heavy heart for not being able to visit Vuvusa and thus unable to explore further into the Pindos Valley, we had to take a U-turn and returned about 25 kilometers in the same way we came from, and then took the usual route to Metsovo. অসাধারণ, মানে মেটসোভো এখনো পৌঁছয়নি, তো এই দৃশ্যটা জাস্ট এক্সেপশনাল। সামনে দেখতে পাচ্ছি এখানে মেটসোভো গ্রাম, যেখানে আমাদের যাওয়ার কথা, অথচ বাইরে এমন তুলকালাম হাওয়া দিচ্ছে যে পুরো গাড়ি শুদ্ধ বসে কাঁপছে, আর আমরা একদম একটা রিজের পাশে দাঁড়িয়ে রয়েছি। The largest center of Aromanian or Vlach life in Greece, Metsovo is a large regional hub for several small villages and settlements in the Pindos region. Located at nearly 4,000 feet above sea level, people from India can best relate this place to a hill station. Metsovo attracts most tourists during the winters, being a very popular ski destination.
Hello.
নানান রকমের টুপি। Hello. So Metsovo has a lot of woodwork. Is it famous for woodwork?
Yes, of course. Wood, cheese, wine, and spaghetti. The next shop we have a more souvenir.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to try cheese?
Okay, I can try.
Okay.
Oh, souvenirs, yes. We bought 2 types of cheese and then wanted to explore the large variety of collectibles. Metsovo is famous for its cheese, woven textiles, and traditional woodworks. In fact, a cheese called Metsovon is named after this town. Part of Greece এটা। এই রাস্তাটা দিয়েই আমরা এলাম। দিদি বলছে পুরো দার্জিলিং এর রাস্তায় হাঁটছি মনে হচ্ছে। The Hotel Apocentro is a very nice restaurant with exceptional views and excellent choice of food. It has nice wooden interiors and a cheerful vibe to its ambience. আমাদের খাবার চলে এসেছে। This is carbonara, oven cooked, and this is Alfredo. এখানকার পাস্তা এবং চিজ প্রচন্ড ফেমাস, তাই আমরা সেটাই প্রেফার করলাম for today's food. After lunch, we took a stroll around the Averov Gardens, named after Georgios Averov, one of the greatest benefactors of Greece. This garden has a large children park and hosts a collection of almost all trees found in the Pindos region. Spending a short time in Metsovo did not feel enough. A better plan would be to stay at Metsovo for at least one night to explore and enjoy what this lively town offers. ফিরে এলাম, এবারে আমরা গাড়ি নিয়ে বেরোবো। ডেলফি যেতে এখান থেকে টোল রোড দিয়ে 4 ঘন্টা লাগবে। টোল রোড ছাড়া ট্রেনে কতক্ষণ লাগবে? It was already 6 p.m. when we started from Metsovo, and our destination, Delphi, was 4 hours away as per Google. The last permitted check-in time at our hotel in Delphi was 10:30 p.m., which was already a steep target. On the way, we crossed the town of Kalambaka, and one more time we witnessed the giant rocks of Meteora. Could we reach and check in to our hotel at Delphi within the permitted time? Stay tuned to know what happened, and also for a virtual tour of Delphi, which was considered by the ancient Greeks as the center of the world. If you loved this episode, please press the like button and do subscribe to our channel.